Asia's Queen of Songs na si Pilita Corrales super happy at thankful sa kanyang ika-85th birthday. Nito nga lamang August 22 ay masayang nagdiwang ng kanyang ika-85th birthday ang batikang aktres at singer na si Pilita Corrales. Nitong Lunes August 26 nang ginanap ang kanyang engranding birthday celebration sa The Manila Hotel kung saan ay nakisaya at dumalo ang kanyang buong pamilya, mga mahal sa buhay at mga kaibigan sa labas at loob ng showbiz. Spotted sa birthday party ang kanyang apo na si Janine Gutierrez kasama ang aktor na si Jericho Rosales, present din sa party ang ex-partner nito na si Eddie Gutierrez at ang misis ni Eddie na si Annabel Rama. Sa kalagitnaan nga ng party ay naghandog pa ng awitin si Eddie Gutierrez sa kanyang ex-partner na si Pilita Corrales. Sobrang happy naman ang anak nina Eddie at Pilita na si Monching dahil nagsama muli ang kanyang ama at ina sa isa sa pinaka-importanteng okasyon na ito ng kanilang pamilya. Narito ating panuurin ang ika-85th birthday celebration ng Asia's Queen of Songs na si Pilita Corrales.
To you, one more time, a little faster. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause for our August celebrants. All right, thank you so much. Oh, let's take a group photo, no? Here.
Ganda, no? Light band.
Tita, thank you. We just take a group photo of the August celebrants.
Ganda.
All right, just one family picture, everyone. Calling the Davao Gutierrez and Feist family.
Simolong and Auntie Tita Annabel came.
Oh.
And then the Queen of the South, Annabel, came also.
Wow!
Pilita and I made a movie.
Aha.
Dolphy calls me up, Eddie, meron tayong pelikula. Ako tsaka si Nida, ikaw at tsaka si Pilita. Ano, okay sa'yo? Aba, okay. So the title of the movie was Tiririt ng Maya, Tiririt ng Ibon. Si Pilita ang Maya, ako ang Ibon.
Ikaw ang tiririt.
Malaki ang kinita ng pelikula yun. Is box office din ang naging tiyan ni Pilita.
Revelation! Ang daming revelation, ah.
At lumabas Ramon Christopher. Gusto ni Pilita, Ramon. Sabi ko, I want Christopher. So, kasi Ramon is Spanish. Christopher, Saint Christopher was my favorite saint. Kasi si Saint Christopher, laging nag-a-abroad, malikot.
Hindi ko alam yun.
Kaya si Monchi naging Ramon Christopher. Pero alam mo, napakaswerte natin, Bilis. Ang dami nating apo. Janine, Jessica, Maxine, Diego. So, we're very happy.
Roll call.
At si Jackie Lou nagkaroon ng kapatid na lalaki.
Ah.
Salamat. Hindi ako blessed.
So, yun ang naging history namin ni Pilita. And then we did Stop, Look, and Listen. Ako, I'm more of an actor. But when I was with Pilita, I also became a singer. Kasi we were singing together. So, this song is a rock and roll song. My national anthem. Maestro. For the show, drink the Gatorade, now go get go.
Yeah! Whoa!
Step on my blue suede shoes. Well, you can do anything, but they hold my blue suede shoes. Knock me down, step on my face, stand my name all over the place. Do anything that you wanna do. You got a holiday over my shoes, but don't you step on my blue suede shoes. Well, you can do anything, but they hold my blue suede shoes. Go, go, yeah. Burn my house, my car, while looking for a old job. Do anything that you wanna do. Got a holiday over my shoes, don't you step on my blue suede shoes. But you can do anything that you want, my blue suede shoes. Well,
Blue suede shoes.
blue suede shoes, baby. Blue suede shoes, yeah. Blue suede shoes, baby. Do anything that they all want. Blue suede shoes, la 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 la.
Yeah!
How do you make it How do you keep the song from fading too fast?
How do you lose yourself to someone and lose your way?
I'm going to sing a song for you. It's called Change the World. My mother sings your songs. And Janine knows about this. You were big in the house because she just sings your song. No, who doesn't sing your songs? Anyway, here we go. You're going to sing